Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and I'm here with another video. I just sounded, I don't know where that accent came from, but I am here with another video. And before I continue with the video, I just would like to remind all of you, if you like my channel, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Don't go ahead and go push that little subscribe button. And if you like the video that you're watching right now, give it a thumbs up. I mean, even if you don't like it, give it a thumbs up. You know, support. So what we have for this video, it is the Boxycharm box for the month of July. And my poor little box took a beating. That is not a usual thing for my boxes. This one here, it almost looks like it got smashed and poor little thing is ripped. So this is the base box for Boxycharm. For those of you that don't know about this box, it is $25 a month. I probably shouldn't be doing this with a blade. It is $25 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size items worth at least $120. I think it's $120. I might be wrong and it might be $100, but it's somewhere around there. So let's go in and see what we have. And off the bat, we have our box. It looks like it's going to be very, very summery. You see the lemons and the limes. I was just about to say the green lemons, and I know that is wrong because my boyfriend always tells me that is wrong, but I call these green lemons and I call these yellow lemons. So I was gonna have a very hard time remembering what it actually is, but I know it's lemons and limes. Which one's which? Don't ask me. I just know it's one of each. So this is sunshine. Let's see what we have that goes with that theme. So I'm gonna start with this one here. It is from the Creme Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter. Ooh, I've never had a cushion highlighter. That sounds interesting. I'm just always afraid that since it is a cushion, so that is the packaging. It's like, I think it's hollow, like holographic. It's a really pretty color. It has a plastic over the top to protect it, because then this is also like a silverish kind of thing. So if you scratch it, you're going to be able to tell. And this is in pink glow. So you get a mirror down here and it comes with a little sponge. And it has a little cover. So let's see. Oh my God, this is like extra protected. So then you have the little paper. Let's peel. Okay. So, wait, is that the color? I thought it was just a sponge. But when I put my finger on it, this is it there. Like, if you guys can see, I have it on my finger. I thought that was just the color of the sponge and the color was gonna like come out. So I have it here on my finger. Ooh, that's pretty. Well, like that sounded like a question. I meant to say, ooh, that's pretty. So it's more of a highlighter that has that like shift. It has a pink shift. If I move my hand around, I hope you guys can see it. It has like it starts off white, but then once you like blend it in, it turns pink. And it's just like a pink shift kind of thing. I've never had one of these, so I'm actually excited to have one. Just knowing me though, I'm probably gonna leave it open and it's gonna dry out. So it's probably not gonna last very long. I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna get this one from Studio Makeup. This is the Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. It also looks like it's a similar type of color. Similar color. So let me see. Let me bring it out. It has like a goldeny, champagne-y kind of thing. But, ooh, that's really pretty. But this actually looks more, it doesn't look so much like an eyeshadow. Again, I hope you guys can see. Yeah, this doesn't have much color. It's more of a tint. And it's more of the glitter. So this is almost like clear gel with glitter and shimmer. It's not like a solid color Not like this one where it's a solid color with the shift. No, this one, it looks like it's a clear base with shimmer and I keep wanting to say sprinkles, shimmer and glitter. So I don't know if I think I see myself using this more of a highlighter than an eyeshadow, because I don't know, I don't see myself using this as an eyeshadow. So I am down to 3 things, and up next we have this one here. This is from Quick Color Switch. It is the dry makeup brush cleaner, and I think I have one of these. So it's a little tin thing, and in here you have a rough sponge. You can actually take it out because I think you can switch it out. I don't know if you can wash it. I've never tried washing it because I don't use it very much. But it's just like a sponge, like a rough sponge. I don't know what about this helps you clean your brushes. It does a pretty good job. I mean, it's just, I don't see myself using this like all the time. But you know what this almost feels like? For those of you that have used that round bun thing that goes on your head, it looks like a donut to make that perfect bun. That's what this feels like that round circle thing. So just so you get an idea of what this feels like. And you just close it, and whenever you're doing your eyeshadow, you just like move your brush in there, and it's supposed to kind of take the color off of your brush. Up next, I'm going to go with this one. It is the 1-1 Skin 111 3 Skin. It looks like this is maybe like a serum, maybe. It says Pollution Defense Booster. So this is supposed to help alleviate the visible signs of aging and damage. Let me take it out so we can see what the heck this is. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be like a serum. So this is what it is. And for what I know, this brand is actually pretty expensive. So I'm curious to see how much it actually is, like MSRP. So it's just like a clear gel. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's like a clear, thick gel. So it's not like a running kind of serum. Yeah, so you just shake it, you put it on your hands, and then you put it on your face. And then the very last item, it is this one here. It is from Ace Beauty. It's a really pretty design in the front. It's just like flowers, like it has the golden colors, you know, really, really pretty. And let's see. Oh, I thought this was going to be an eyeshadow palette, but what is this? I think this is a bronzing. Yeah, it says Bronzed in Paradise. So this is a bronzing palette, and it has like different tones of bronzing colors. So it has 4 different shades of like bronzing colors, from deep to a lighter kind of color. So it has a lot of nice ones. And I mean, you don't necessarily have to use it as a bronzing palette. I'm just saying. So this was the very last item. Really quick, let me give you guys I always say full size. The MSRP prices for these items here. Cindy, you know your job. You're never prepared. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this one. Like I mentioned in the beginning, this is pricey. You guys ready? This one here, it is the 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster, $135. So just this one alone, it's over what the box value should be. Then we have the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. This one, MSRP is $25. I don't know if I would pay $25 for this. Then we have the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. MSRP is $30. Then we have the Creme Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter. This is $20. And then the very last things, what? They're crazy. The very last thing, it is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, $20. No. The one that I have, I got at Ulta Beauty for like $3, I think. and that was on sale, and regular price was like $5. So supposedly this one is $20, but total box value is $230. That is a really, really high price, or the box value, for being the base box. And it was all thanks to this little guy here. So those were all the items from the box. So that means, yes, I am all done. I will be back really soon with another video. So yeah, I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.